Joni, thanks so much for being with us today. Can you tell us about your family and how this affected you?
Well, I think having these jurisdiction issues that apply to my son who lives with disabilities, it's really affected us, right since he was born. There's been a lot of times that we've wanted to live in our home community, in our First Nation, and there's been times that we've tried unsuccessfully because his services that he receives from the province would get cut off, and there wasn't anything available at the community level to be able to support him and myself as a caregiver. It's been really hard that we've had to make, such big decisions about where we can and cannot live. And we have a lot of family and friends who live in our home First Nation that, we haven't been able to, see as often as we would have liked to, because it's been a challenge to live out in that community. And it's been difficult over the years, and we've been, kind of going back and forth with this for the past 19 years now.
Mm-hmm. Why did you want to go this route?
We've tried many different options, and, we've worked with our, different programs at the community level. We've worked with the province, with the federal departments as well, to try to get some services in place. And although we've made a little bit of success in being able to kind of get a few services for him when he was younger as a child, and through Jordan's principle, we fall back into those, into those gaps now as an adult with disabilities, that he doesn't qualify for Jordan's principle supports anymore. And there really isn't too much, if anything, available on the federal side with being able to continue these as well. So we really wanted to make sure that there's things that are in place for him should we, want to or need to move back to our First Nation, and not just for him, but for many others as well who are in the same situation as us.
So Joni, what happens now?
Well, we've filed our case just this past week, or last week, sorry, and there's two families who are part of this human rights complaint. And then also we're filing as a coalition of families as well. So we're building up our coalition, and I have to admit I'm a little bit green on the legalities of how things move along, but we have a great team at the Public Interest Law Center in Winnipeg who are helping us through this process.
Joni, we'll have to leave it there. Wish you good luck. Thanks for being with us to talk about this today.
Thank you so much.